Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to tap into the power of TikTok for your Shopify store? In this video, we will show you how to run TikTok ads for your Shopify store in 2024, driving traffic and engaging with millions of potential customers. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First of all, make sure to go ahead to your TikTok account and click on ads.tiktok.com. Here you will have to log in with TikTok, so you do have to create an account with TikTok. I'm gonna create one using this email real quick, and as you will see here, I'm just gonna click on continue and the account should be created with few clicks. Now after that, we have to set up the birth date and a couple of information about our privacy policy and about privacy, etc. So we could get the account recovered if we forgot about it later on. And here we give it a username. So let's name it, for example, at TikTok for shop. Here I'm gonna click on sign up and the account will be created right here. Then I'm gonna click here on continue because now we are going to connect TikTok account that we just created to TikTok for business so we can start running ads. Here you will have all permissions that you are going to give, so make sure to read them and uncheck the ones that you don't want to give, but in general you really do want to keep them all checked in. So let's click here on continue and the account will be created successfully. Now after that, by clicking here, agree to the TikTok commercial terms, and simply right after that, make sure to uncheck this in case you don't want your email to get spammed with news of TikTok, and just write that, click on confirm, and your account will be done in few clicks. Now just get the email address so you can have more secure. I'm gonna just choose this one that I have already, and here send the code, so it will be sent to you in this email. So let's open it and let's wait. Let's refresh. Okay, I didn't receive the code. It will be sent to me. Refresh here. Okay, here it is. So now I'm just gonna click right here, copy this and paste it in this area, and then I'm gonna click on add email so you can make it more secured. Now once we have done that, our account is fully done. We simply have to add a couple of informations that will be needed, such as the business name, our website if we do have, and the industry. Let's choose the business name and keep it as our brand name that we have in Shopify. So if your store brand in Shopify, just put it right here. So we're gonna call it, for example, tutorial ads for TikTok. And we're just gonna, like, I didn't write it, but here add your URL for Shopify, Shopify store.com. Here industry, let's choose e-commerce. Let's choose clothing, for example. Region and country, let's choose, for example, the United Arab Emirates. Here currency, keep it as it is, and once you're done, simply just go ahead and click on continue, and the account would be created with these easy few steps that we just made. Now once the account will be created, you will have to pick and choose which kind of payment method. Let's choose manual payments. Go to ads manager, and this will open finally our ads account, as you can see right here. So here in the ads, I'm going to click right here and I'm going to go to the dashboard so I can show you exactly how it would look for you guys. So let's exit this, and here it is. So in the dashboard, as you can see, you will find here several options that you have to fulfill, which are steps to get your account fully and ready. But we are going to skip this for now. In case you would like a full video about this, make sure to mention that in the comment section. Now once we are done that, we're going to campaign, and I'm going to create a new campaign. So go right here, click on create, and then you will find this page right in front of you. Now you have to choose what kind of campaign you would like to get. Here in our case, we would like to get conversion. So we would like to get product sales. Let's go here, and as you can see here, we would like promote your products from a catalog using video shopping ads. So I'm gonna keep my campaign name and change it to tutorial Shopify. And what I'm gonna do is set first of all our campaign budget, which is gonna be a daily budget that's gonna be spent. I'm gonna choose it to be $20. And then the campaign, okay, it's the minimum is basically $50, so let's keep it as 50. And here, campaign budget optimization. So this one will automatically optimize your budget allocation. You will have some on your bid strategy and optimization goal. Let's keep this as 500. You will spend up to 625 on some days and less on other days. You will spend an average of 500 per day, no more than 3,500 per calendar week. So let's click here and continue. And now we have created our first campaign, but still there is other things that we have to actually work on. So here we have the ad group. Now in the ad group we would like to name it, for example, video number 1, and here we'd like to add the video. So here simply just click on this area, choose the catalog and create a catalog, and basically put here the catalog of your products. So for example, I have an iPhone 16 product in my webpage, so I'm gonna add it right here. And here you have to create a business center, which we're gonna work on later on, which is very important. So let's keep it as it is. Let's just create one real quick. Click on next, and here you should add the picture of your product, the title, the price, and the link to your web page. Now once you have done that, let me just leave this page. You have to work on other things, such as optimization location, so you can select where you'd like to drive more sales. If you want to drive more sales into your website, which we already have chosen, simply click here. In case there was other options, then you have to click on them. You have to click on get started so you can find every other option. Now the placement, I'm going to choose the automatic placement, automatically show your ads across posted placements, or you can choose exactly where you want your ad to be placed. So you can choose, for example, to be either on ads will appear in the feed and search results. Ad format will change depending on the placement, and it will be shown in other network like Bingo, etc. So you can choose exactly only TikTok. Here for audience targeting, which is very important. It's really different, like depending on your business, it's really different from a business to another. So here, for example, I am selling clothes for like grown men. Then I'm going to choose, for example, here between 25 to 35 and 45. So this is the average age that I'm gonna choose as for male. So male are gonna be the people who are willing to invest in the product, who are willing to buy this product. So there is no need to actually show this product to female. Well, there is this argument that you will say that female, there is like wives that would buy clothes for their men, and yeah, I agree with you, but still you want your conversion to be fully in the potential clients. You don't want to really like invest in female where there will be 100 of men could have bought your products from you than 2 of 100 female that will be buying this product for you. So you want to have higher chances. And once you're done with all of these informations like the budget, the bidding optimization, simply just click on continue and put your credit card, and you will start running your ads. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.